So dear students, today consider 9 number problem, exercise number 8.1 of NCERT book, trigonometry. So this problem is that in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Number 2, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So the right angle given at B, this B is 90 degree. If B is 90 degree, this is hypotenuse. And angle A given, angle A means tan A given, angle A means this is perpendicular and remaining is base. So this problem is there. Solution: since tan A equal to 1 by root 3. Tan means P by B, and P means this is our angle A, this is P. BC by B base is AB. So we get this one. So what we get? Therefore we can write BC equal to 1K and AB equal to root 3K. BC equal to 1K and AB equal to root 3K. So we get these two measurements, AB and BC. Now we have to find AC. So this is right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, we have what we have: AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. By Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now AC square remains same. AB means root 3K. This whole square, and BC means 1K. This whole square. So this will be AC square equal to 3K square plus 1K square, and this implies AC square equal to 4K square and AC equal to root over 4K square. So this will be twice K. So 4 root over 4 means 2 and K square means K. Thus we get, therefore we get AB equal to root 3K, BC equal to 1K, and AC equal to, we get twice K. These are the values of AB, BC, AC. These are the values. Now first you consider, first you have to find sin A, cos A. Here given sin A, cos C, cos A. First you find A angle. Sin A, cos A. Now, sin A, sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is our perpendicular, this is our hypotenuse. Sorry, this is angle A means this is our perpendicular and this one hypotenuse. So sin A angle means this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. So sin A equal to BC by AC. So this AC. BC means, we know the value of BC, 1K. AC means twice K. K cancel, 1 by 2 we get. So this sin A equal to 1 by 2. Next we have to find cos A. Cos A means base by hypotenuse. This is base, this is hypotenuse. So this will be AB by AC. AB, what is the measurement AB? Root 3K by AC, twice K. Then this will be root 3 by 2. So cos A equal to root 3 by 2. So these two values we get, sin A and cos A. At a time we consider this angle. Now we have to find C angle. If we consider C angle, suppose we write this C, this angle if we assume, then this will be perpendicular, and this is 90 degree, this is hypotenuse, and remaining is base. Now you have to find cos C. Cos C or sin C first you have to find. Sin C equal to, this is our C angle, this is perpendicular. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is AB by AC. AB, the measurement of AB is root 3 K by AC means twice K. This is root 3 by 2 we get. Root 3 by 2. And we have to find cos C. Cos C equal to, this is C angle, cos means base by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC, BC means 1K and AC means 2K. This is 1 by 2 we get. So these are the values of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So there students, you have to remember when you assume this angle, this will be perpendicular and 90 opposite is hypotenuse and another side is base. And if we assume this angle, this is perpendicular, hypotenuse is, this will be base. And in this way we get this value. Now first our requirement number 1. In number 1, this is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C given. This is the expression sin A cos C cos A sin C. Now we have to find value of this. Putting the ready-made values, this already we find these values. Putting the ready-made values, sin A, what is the value? Sin A means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos C. Cos C means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus cos A. What is the value of cos A? Cos A is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 into sin C. Sin C, sin C, this is our sin C, this is also root 3 by 2. So just we putting the ready-made values, we get this. Now 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, this is 4. Root 3 into root 3, this is 3. And 2 into 2, 4. LCM is 4. Then 1 plus 3. And this is 4 by 4. And this is 1. So answer is 1 we get. 1 our answer. So this solution is clear? It's nothing. Just putting the values we get this. So next we consider number 2. This is our number 2. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So this one we consider. Cos A, putting the value of cos A means root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A means 1 by 2. And sin C, this is root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3 by 2. So we get root 3 into 1 is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So same number we get minus. So this will be 0. And this is our answer. So big answer. This big answer represents, this is the ending of the problem. So dear student, this solution is very easy. If this solution is easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.